Hey everyone, I'm Sarah with WTI and I'm wearing a favorite tank top. So this tank top is lightweight, stretchy, and so comfortable. It's from BALEAF. I love the fact that there's no tag against the back of my neck. The armholes are just the perfect size for me so that I have a modest cut, but at the same time, plenty of room to move my arms. It's got a wide top, so it's not a narrow tank top, but more of a wide tank top at the shoulder. And I love the fact that it curves along the bottom, which makes it such a flattering fit. No matter what you want to wear this tank top for, it's lightweight and breathable. It dries fast, so if you're using it to work out, you're not going to stay wet for very long if you're sweating. I love the fact that this top stays exactly where I want it to, no riding up, no weird clinging, but very, very stretchy and forgiving. This is a perfect tank top for layering, whether you want to wear it for active wear or just want to run errands in it. I really feel like it's going to be part of a capsule wardrobe. It can adapt to anything that you might need. You won't be disappointed by this classic black tank top from BALEAF. I'm very comfortable and happy with it, and that is my point of view.